Looking for an ERP that connects your entire business? Meet Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Business Central is Microsoft's cloud-based ERP solution designed to help businesses manage finance, operations, inventory, sales, purchasing, and more from one integrated platform. When a transaction is entered, Business Central updates related records across the system automatically, giving finance teams accurate real-time information and reducing manual work. With cloud access, Microsoft 365 integration, Power BI connectivity, and powerful reporting, Business Central helps organizations improve efficiency and decision-making. Next, we'll explore how Power BI transforms financial data into interactive dashboards. Subscribe to AI Finance Hub and continue mastering finance technology.